The Jeep Cherokee was a well-known midsize SUV that combined rugged capability with everyday practicality. However, as part of Jeep's strategy to transition towards electrification and streamline its lineup, the Cherokee was discontinued after the 2023 model year. This decision was made to focus on newer models, particularly electrified SUVs, which align with industry trends towards sustainability and efficiency. The Jeep Cherokee had a long history dating back to its introduction in 1974, evolving over multiple generations. The most recent version, the 5th generation Cherokee KL, debuted in 2014 and received a facelift in 2019. It was known for offering a balance between off-road capability and on-road comfort, making it a popular choice among SUV buyers. Notably, the Trailhawk trim was the most off-road capable version, featuring Jeep's Active Drive Lock 4x4 system, all-terrain tires, and enhanced ground clearance. Under the hood, the latest Cherokee models were available with multiple engine options, including a 2.4L 4-cylinder, a 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder, and a 3.2L V6, offering a mix of efficiency and power. The interior was modern and featured Jeep's Uconnect infotainment system, touchscreen displays, and various driver assistance technologies. Although Jeep has discontinued the Cherokee, the company is introducing new models that align with modern trends. Possible alternatives include the Jeep Compass, a smaller SUV with similar styling and features, or the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which offers more luxury and performance. Jeep is also focusing on electrification with models like the Jeep Recon EV, an all-electric off-road SUV, and the Jeep Wagoneer S, a premium electric SUV. If you're looking for a vehicle similar to the Cherokee in 2025, you might want to explore these alternatives.